Last time when we were troubleshooting, we were able to log in, right?
Yes, I was able to log in last time.
Mm-hmm.
And subsequent ones after that, it's like, you know, a headache.
You mean you are not getting the login button? I mean login window.
Okay, when I click on the Mat Connect and the administration login,
Mm-hmm.
it will not log me into it. When I click on the launch,
Mm-hmm.
it's not launching.
Okay. Uh, okay. We'll see.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So let us go ahead and get started. Let me share my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay. Wonderful. So yesterday we did take a look at the concepts of E4X, right? So we are in scope of learning three aspects, E4X, XML, and JavaScripting. So we looked at XML yesterday and we looked at E4X. Now we know how to navigate through an XML object and write the mapping that is required. So whenever we get any HL7 message, how HL7 message will be converted into an XML object within Merge Connect, and using that XML object, we saw how we can navigate through the XML object using dot operator and parenthesis operator. Our preference is to use parenthesis operator so that dots will not be a um, stopper for us. And we also saw that an XML object can be assigned to a variable, and that variable can be used for navigation purposes. So whenever any HL7 message comes in, that HL7 message is always available in a variable called MSG. And within that MSG, we will have the entire HL7 message in XML format, right? And we saw that we can navigate through that XML object by considering or by taking MSG as the variable name and then subsequently skipping the parent tag. So for any HL7 message within Mirth Connect, you'll have the parent tag this way. And within that parent tag, yesterday we saw that we'll have all the further segments like MSH, PID, and so on. So if you want to navigate and find out or get into one of these segments, all that we have to do is we have to skip the parent tag because we have already given MSG. So as we have already called out MSG, you can skip the parent tag and go to the next child tag. So if I want to get into PID, I'll get into PID. And then let's say I want to get to know the date of birth of the patient, right? So I'll say PID 7, and then I'll go to PID 7.1. And this will fetch me the date of birth of the patient, right? So if it is an incoming HL7 message, this is how you write it. If it is